Good morning guys! Gagawa po tayo ng thin bread for breakfast, no? Inano na po natin yan sa yung bread natin. Lagyan po natin ng corned beef. And then, linagyan po natin yan ng cabbage. Inano po natin yan ng strip, yung cabbage na yan guys. And then, on top, linagyan po natin yan ng ano guys, fries, a little bit fries. Yan, linagyan po natin yan ng fries guys. Yan guys, actually guys, masarap siya guys. Then guys, kung sino mang may gustong magawa nito, i-try nyo po guys, masarap siya talaga. And then guys, lagyan po natin yan ng tomato. Yan, on top na siya guys. And then lagyan po natin ng sauce. Yan, cheese yan siya guys, cheese. Lagyan natin siya. Yan guys. Diba? Yum masyado guys. Masarap. Kung sino pong gagawa nito, simple lang po. Syempre, tayo ng bread. And then, i-toast natin yung bread na hindi masyadong toasted talaga siya. And then, lagyan po natin ng corned beef. Yan guys, yan na po yung natin, no?